Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you very useful secret codes for all Android phones. So the first one is, if you type on the dialer *#07#, then you will get all the values of your phone will appear. It means how harmful radiations your phone emits. Now the next one is *#21#. And here you will see that your private calls and messages are not being forwarded to anyone else. So then the other one is *#06#. Here you will get your IMEI number, and that is very important because if your phone is lost, then the police will ask you for the same number. So this is very important, so please note it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.